Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your charging port on your Tesla vehicle. So if you have this charger, all you have to do is go up to the charging port and then press this button right here. So let's do that now. Press this button, the charging port will open up, and then we can just place this in. Now there's another area in which you can unlock your charging port. So if we go over to our car, in the settings under charging, there's an option to unlock it. So let's do this now. So hit this car symbol in the bottom left. Open up your settings, going down to charging. And then right here is unlock charging port or just stop charging. So we can just press this now, unlock charging port. And then it will unlock. And you should be able to place in your charger now. So press this button or the settings and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.